Hey, are you ready for your bedtime story? I know I'm ready to read you an absolutely lovely story. It's called When the Nigga Starts Shooting in the Hood. Okay, here we go. Page 1. These niggas trying to play with me. So I grab my Glock 19 and I start shooting them in the... Oh. Hey, Kachan. You said you would go to sleep really early tonight. I lied to you, Deku. I'm sorry. I know I should have been a good boy and I should have gone to sleep when you told me to, but I just couldn't. I just can't stop thinking of your dead. Kachan, what the heliante are you on about? Are you high again? Deku, I'm sorry. I'm gay. Wow, I really don't remember asking. Don't threaten me with a good ditty party, but right in front of YN? Come on, bro. Tee up, merchant. Deku, what even is tee up? What is merchant? Your mammy, Kachan. Your thick mammy. Son, I'm legit crying. Why are you talking about my mama? Look at your fat ass mom. You know what? How about I just crack you right now? Kachan, no. I was trying to read a story to YN. You are ruining me and YN's bonding time. Wait. No! Put your pants back on! It's too late, Deku. Get over here. Kachan, if you're really that freaky and you really want to crack, later, okay? But not in front of YN. Kachan, please put your pants back on.